Well, you can't really hear it on travel up there. You know, some niggas yelling. Better Seeker came down early as fuck in the morning too. You know, people gonna be joining at what time is it? Oh yeah, when I woke up it was like 6. Been a while since I woke up at 6. So, no. What you mean? I'm not wearing my yesterday clothes. I did do. I was wearing that black so yesterday. You know, obviously dark mode now. Huh? I know, but I'm just doing like a video, like sounds we use every day. Yeah, also here's one of the video games as he playing. That was part of it. Some people use this. Why the fuck did I do that? Nah, I just hold up. Trash can. Let me grab some protein shit around here. Stuff it down there. Plus the toy, just, you know. It's kind of hard to grab a brush with 2 hands. Here's one part of it. I just wet my hands to use this towel. I don't know if this angle's good or not. Let me record this part though. So, this is how you add, this is how you actually brush your teeth. Touch, by the way, I touched the photo. You wet that toothbrush, then you put the toothpaste. Hold up. Put the toothpaste. Don't know if you can see or not. Let me turn off the water. Yeah, you turn off the water when you put the toothpaste out, right? And put the toothpaste back. Now, you wet the toothpaste. So you do your brush, wet this toothpaste, and there we go. Also, this. Oh, you can't see that. Harder. Alright, there we go. Alright. So I'm about to plug in the charger now. TV remote. How about watch some Netflix? So yeah, watching the TV show or watching anything on the TV is basically this part.
bed so comfy that you know I'll be getting the action with this noise. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm about head up. Yes, I'm gonna turn the lights off. I do not sleep with the lights on. Alright. This is a weird angle, but alright. See you guys later in the next episode. That's probably like in 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks I'm gonna be uploading now with school and stuff.